Hey guys, Mark here. Sorry about the I didn't get no practice or racing up last week or this past weekend. I had a bad weekend. I had a blowout Friday night on my car or truck SUV, and I had to park it at a gas station and get up the next morning and go get a tire for it Saturday morning. And then I had to get everything packed, and I forgot my GoPro and all my other stuff. So this weekend is supposed to be a race weekend. Basically I was just showing the new Proline body that they got out. It's called the theyt Fusion body. Somebody's a friend of mine, Chris, was texting me. But this is the new body they got out. Just showing it. They got it for it. It'll fit the Traxxas. I had a piece of paper that, yeah, here it is. It will fit these right here. You can pause that and look at it. theyt Fusion body by Proline. So what in the world? Oh, he's texting me. Anyway guys, this is the new body by Proline. I like it. I think it looks good. I ran this one, as you can see. They got a double where you jump. I had this body on my Losi, and as you can see, the scratch marks. They got a double when you jump it. I always, for some reason, I scrape the wall when I jump, and got a little bit of wear and tear on this body. But yeah, I don't race I tried racing the Traxxas, but it just ain't. You would have to do a lot of work on it, put sway bars on it and all that in order to get it race ready, in other words. So, but anyway guys, I was just showing you this body. It's got the vent holes here, here, well, you can see it, here, and then back here in the back. It's got two vent holes for it. There you go. I guess you can see it better there. I can't tell if it's good or not, but JD, I know you run Traxxas, but if you decide to get a new body, if you like this one, this is pretty cool. But anyway guys, y'all have a good rest of the week, and I'll get some more racing video up probably Sunday or Monday of next week, and all that good stuff. And I guess until then, y'all have a good week. Peace, and all you guys in the hobby, continue to RC, man. It's fun. It's a great hobby to get in. If you're not in the hobby, you're wanting to get into it, it's fun. But we'll see you guys later. Y'all have a great Sunday.